Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Building muscle doesn't have to mean filling your workout with dozens of different exercises. In reality, you can create an effective strength routine by mastering just 5 essential movement patterns. These 5 movements form the foundation of nearly every quality strength program and help train your entire body in a balanced way. Instead of jumping from one machine to another or changing your routine every week, focus on getting stronger in these basic patterns: push, pull, overhead press, squat, and hinge. As you gradually improve your strength and technique over time, you give your muscles a consistent reason to adapt and grow. Welcome back to Health Fact 10M, where we make fitness and health easier to understand. Let's break down the 5 movement patterns that can help you build total body strength. Number 1. The dip, your primary pushing movement. The dip is one of the most effective bodyweight exercises for developing your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Unlike many gym machines, your body has to stabilize itself throughout the movement, making several muscle groups work together. As you lower yourself, your chest and triceps experience a deep stretch. Pressing yourself back to the starting position requires strength, balance, and control. That combination makes the dip an excellent upper body exercise. Begin with your arms fully extended and your chest lifted. Tighten your core before lowering yourself slowly. Avoid dropping too quickly into the bottom position. Instead, stay in control throughout the entire movement, then push yourself back up smoothly. A slight forward lean shifts more work to the chest, while a more upright posture places greater emphasis on the triceps. Regardless of your position, prioritize good technique before worrying about extra weight. Avoid bouncing at the bottom or allowing your shoulders to round forward. If standard dips are too challenging, start with assisted dips using a resistance band or assisted machine. Push-ups and incline push-ups are also excellent ways to build the necessary strength before progressing. Aim for 3 sets of 5 to 10 quality repetitions. Once 10 controlled reps become comfortable, you can slowly increase the difficulty by adding repetitions, slowing the movement, or eventually introducing additional resistance. Number 2. The pull-up, your main pulling exercise. Every pushing movement should be balanced with a pulling movement, and the pull-up is one of the best choices available. Pull-ups strengthen the lats, upper and middle back, biceps, forearms, and grip. They also support better posture by strengthening the muscles responsible for keeping your shoulders in a healthy position. Unlike many machine exercises, a pull-up requires you to move your own body through space, making it a true test of upper body strength. Start from a full hang while keeping your shoulders active rather than completely relaxed. Pull your elbows down toward your sides and focus on bringing your chest toward the bar instead of simply pulling with your arms. Pause briefly at the top, then lower yourself under control. Avoid swinging your body or using momentum to complete each repetition. The lowering phase is just as valuable as the lifting phase. If you cannot perform a full pull-up yet, that's perfectly normal. Begin with assisted pull-ups, resistance bands, controlled negatives, or lat pull-downs while gradually developing strength. Complete 3 sets of 4 to 8 clean repetitions. As your strength improves and you can comfortably perform 10 good reps, you can begin adding resistance if appropriate. Number 3. The overhead press, building strong shoulders. Strong shoulders are essential for everyday activities, and the overhead press develops them in a functional way. This movement targets the shoulders, triceps, upper chest, upper back, and traps. When performed standing, it also challenges your core, glutes, and legs to stabilize your body throughout the lift. Holding the weight at shoulder height, brace your core and press straight overhead until your arms are fully extended. Lower the weight with control rather than letting it drop quickly. One of the most common mistakes is leaning too far backward, placing unnecessary stress on the lower back. Instead, keep your ribs down, tighten your core, and press the weight in a straight path overhead. Whether you use dumbbells or a barbell, consistency matters more than the specific equipment you choose. Perform 3 sets of 5 to 8 repetitions using a weight that allows you to maintain excellent technique from start to finish. Number 4. The squat, the foundation of lower body strength. The squat is one of the most important exercises for developing powerful legs and improving overall movement. It primarily works the quadriceps, glutes, hips, and core while also strengthening muscles that help stabilize your body. Many people focus too much on lifting heavier weights and not enough on performing the movement correctly. A quality squat is controlled from beginning to end. Stand with your feet approximately shoulder width apart and point your toes slightly outward if it feels comfortable. Brace your core, keep your heels planted, and lower yourself by bending your hips and knees together. Descend only as far as you can while maintaining good posture and control. Then press firmly through your feet to return to a standing position. Whether you choose a goblet squat, front squat, or back squat, the goal remains the same. Perform each repetition with good form before increasing the weight. Complete 3 sets of 6 to 10 repetitions. Number 5. The hinge, strengthening the backside of your body. The final movement pattern is the hinge, which teaches your body to generate strength through your hips rather than relying on your lower back. This pattern targets the hamstrings, glutes, lower back, traps, grip, and other muscles along the back of your body, often called the posterior chain. These muscles play an important role in lifting objects safely, maintaining posture, and producing power during everyday activities. One excellent exercise for learning this movement is the Romanian deadlift. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart while holding the weight in front of your thighs. Keep your chest lifted, engage your core, and slowly push your hips backward while keeping the weight close to your legs. You should feel a gentle stretch in the hamstrings before driving your hips forward to return to the starting position. Avoid rounding your back or turning the movement into a squat. The motion should come mainly from your hips while your spine stays in a stable position. Perform 3 sets of 6 to 10 controlled repetitions. These 5 movement patterns create a balanced full-body strength routine. Dip, pull-up, overhead press, squat, hinge. Training these movements 2 or 3 times each week can help you steadily improve your overall strength and muscle development when paired with proper nutrition, adequate recovery, and consistent practice. A simple workout could begin with squats, followed by dips, pull-ups, overhead presses, and finish with hinge exercises such as Romanian deadlifts. For each exercise, perform about 3 sets while keeping most repetitions between 5 and 10. Choose a weight or variation that feels challenging but still allows you to maintain good form. As your exercises become easier, gradually increase the challenge by adding a little more weight, performing extra repetitions, improving your range of motion, or slowing the tempo. This gradual increase in training demand, often called progressive overload, is one of the key principles that supports long-term strength and muscle development. Remember, lasting progress doesn't come from doing hundreds of different exercises. It comes from practicing the basics consistently and improving them over time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.